So today I want to walk you through how to remove yourself as an admin from a Facebook page. Pretty straightforward process, guys, here. When this works for you, if you could just consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It's honestly just a great way to support what we're doing here, and I'd really appreciate it. So with that, obviously we need to start by opening up our Facebook page and then going to the page that you want to remove your access from. So this is like an old venture that me and a few partners used to have that has unfortunately gone under. I want to remove my admin access. So from here, we would just select the professional dashboard. And in the professional dashboard, we would find page access. And it looks like I am the only one here who has access to this page, which means I cannot remove my admin access. So just as a heads up, Facebook access is admin access. As you can see, I have permissions to all and everything associated here on this page. Now, what I was told was being the only admin, I wouldn't be able to remove my own access, but I'm going to try it anyways. If you have multiple admins here or Facebook access people, you should have no issues removing yourself. What you would do is hit these three dots over here and then select remove access. Now I'm just going to go through this process and see how far I get. Type in your password, hit confirm, and it looks like we're going to send an email. So let me check my email. So there's the code. I'll hit OK. And let's move back to my page. So let's see. See all profiles. And there, oh, actually, I was able to remove my own admin access. So as you can see, that page is no longer listed in the profiles of the accounts associated with my Facebook page. So I guess it worked. So that's great. That's great. So that is how you are going to remove your own Facebook admin access, guys. I hope it helped. If it does, again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.